I'm here at the Slint booth in Oxidize, where we're presenting a few demos and a few demos from our customers. So for example, here is With Audio. They have built a VST plugin. So it's a plugin for an audio application that controls this analog equalizer, which is controlled digitally with this interface made with Slint. Another demo that we are demoing that Slint can go really low level with very small microcontrollers. So for example, this is the Raspberry Pi Pico, so RP2040. It boots in an instant less than 300 kilobytes of RAM. And we are also supporting other MCUs, so STM32 and ESP32. We also work on embedded Linux, so we're also demoing an embedded Linux demo. We're also demoing Slint running on Android, so we have this energy monitor running on an Android phone as an Android application that can be downloaded from the internet. Another thing that we're previewing is one of the showcase from one of our customers who is building a fermentation control system. It's to brew beer, and they made their UI using Slint, using a microcontroller, STM32.